Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, just take care of yourself and keep studying and doing your work nicely and sincerely. So, today we will start the new lesson number 6. Lesson number 6, more on internet. So, dear friends, we have already discussed about the internet in our previous classes. So what is internet? Internet is a network of computers across the globe. This communication structure is a system connecting people around the world. So all of you know what the internet is. Internet is interconnected net and net networks. Interconnected network ऑफ नेटवर्क्स जब बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर्स आपस में of the when the worldwide computers are connected together then they form so again the definition is given the internet is a global network of computer ये global network है computers का which allow individuals to communicate with each other when the worldwide computers are connected together to provide communication between the individuals then it form a internet. So in the short form interconnected network of computer. It provides a quick and easy way of exchanging information. The internet is recognized as a very vital tool in this information age. So the internet comprises of LAN, MAN and WAN. We have already studied about LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN is local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, and third one is wide area network. LAN is within a building or in an organization when the computers are connected and they are sharing information resources, then it is a LAN. And when the computers are connected, when the computers of city within a city, when the computers are connected together to exchange information, then it is MAN. And wide area network, that is our internet. When the worldwide computers are connected together, then it forms a wide area network, that is WAN. So it enables people all over the world to communicate and exchange information. ये तीन तरह के networks होते हैं जो हमने already पढ़ चुके हैं इसको in the previous lessons. So being a part of huge network helps to exchange information and ideas with millions of other people connected with this network. The internet has many interesting things to discover. Using it for entertainment reasons is one of the easiest way to have. It can also be used for work purposes. Internet provides us many services. Some of these services are covered in detail in this chapter. So what are the features that internet provides to us? So internet has many interesting things. It will provide in entertainment. We use internet for communication with our dear ones, and we use internet for entertainment purpose, and it can also be used for to work, can also for working purposes in offices, in schools, etc. So there are many functions, and there are many functions of internet, and in the today's era we cannot live without internet. Next is emoticons. What are emoticons? Emoticons are smileys that can be useful in conveying mood or emotion in written online communications. Where there are no visible clues to tell you that someone is speaking tongue in cheek or pulling your leg or is feeling impish. As you all know, when you are typing some in your today's smartphones, when you type some messages, then you can see some kind of smileys on the message box, and you can use smileys. So those smileys are known as emoticons, and you can use those smileys for showing your expressions, for showing your mood. So emoticons means the smileys that we can use for chatting, for messaging, for texting. So emoticons, what are the reasons of introducing emoticons? Actually, emoticons जो हैं, जो smileys, they can help the reader realize the intent or context intended by the writer of the message or statement to understand. आप जब emoticons, for example, you will put a smiley on someone message, you want to reply with a smile. It means that that when you send that smiley to someone, then he or she will understand that you are happy. So emoticons are very useful for showing our expression that we cannot express by writing. So emoticons are useful by showing your expression. So some of the emoticons, like you can see, and L makes me cry, meaning makes me cry. Then dot streak makes me sick. Then make no sense, moustache. These are the emoticons that are used previously. जब हमारे पास graphic emoticons नहीं थे, that time they used. Then big boy, big face, sad with a smile, big girl, screening, shouting. So these are the texting emoticons. And then introduced the graphic emoticons. ये सब आपने देखा होगा. You can see in your in today's smartphones, you can see the graphic emoticons are there. So whenever you see such type of smileys and all, they are known as emoticons. So small, what are the definition of graphic emoticons is small images have replaced typed text. पहले इस तरह के typed text होते थे और उनके meanings होते थे very unhappy. You can see the unhappy जो आप ऊपर देख रहे हो, eating something spicy, then hash sorry slash sex. So these are the text emoticons, and it is very difficult to express ourselves with the help of these type of emoticons. Then introduce the graphic emoticons. Small images have replaced type text in graphic emoticons. Some of these are, now you can see, if someone send you the smiling face, sad, laughing, then it will be very easy for us to identify his expression. So happy, sad, laughing, angry, upset, congratulate, cool, thinking, encouraging, sorry, confused, disgusted, confident. So all of these emoticons are very clear to understand. So all of you know what is emoticons are. Next we will continue with next topic. Next is abbreviations. A great deal of communication. Actually, we are studying about when internet is there and when we communicate with the people on the other side. Then what are the things we will include? Like we will use smileys for giving our expression. Abbreviations, we can also use abbreviations. What are abbreviations? A great deal of communication on the internet consists of people typing message to one another, texting, email, and Twitter, as well as Facebook, Usenet, article, instant messaging, IRC, chat rooms, discussion groups, and so on. There are also a number of widely used communication conventions that are useful to know. For example, abbreviations or spelling words with a few characters is possible. So, what are abbreviations? Abbreviations generally when we are texting, when we are chatting on Facebook, Twitter, texting, email, when we are doing any kind of messages to chat rooms, discussion group, ये सारे these are the platforms on which we can do the communication with other people. When we do communication, we can use some kind of abbreviations so that we can हम abbreviations use करते हैं ताकि हम लोग जल्द से जल्द उस मैसेज को सेंड कर सकें in a short period of time. So some of the short form you can see are so abbreviations are used in email and post. Abbreviations are usually typed in all capital letter but may be typed in lowercase in a hurry, or when using the shift or caps lock key is difficult for the typist. So some of the abbreviation short forms होता है जो हम generally we can use when we send some kind of messages to our friends, to our family. Then we can use abbreviations. हम full forms नहीं लिख के short forms में लिखते हैं. For example, and generally in abbreviation we have to use the capital letter but may be typed in lower case also if we are in hurry when using the shift key or caps lock for the that will be difficult for the typist. So AFK, away from keyboard. BRB means be right back. You can write BRB for the be right back. BTW, by the way. Then FYI, for your information. F2F, face to face. Hand, 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 hurry back. HB, I don't know. And then IDK is also for I don't know. And IMHO, in my humble opinion. LOL, laugh out loud. NP, no problem. Real life. ROFL, rolling on the floor. Thanks in advance. TIA, too much information. WRK means work. WTJ means way to go. YW means you are welcome. So these are some abbreviations that we will use when sending messages to our friends of our family members. Next topic is internet chatting. When two persons are sending and receiving messages, they are communicating with the help of messages, then with the help of internet connection must be there, then it is known as internet chatting. So transmission of text based messages from sender to receiver is internet chatting. The typed message is instantaneously relayed on the computer of the chat room individual. Chatting is a popular way in which people stay connected, whether it be for business or for family who live many miles apart. So, how the chatting helps? Chatting is very useful for the business purposes or for family who live many miles apart. They can also chat on internet. While chatting can be fun and entertaining, you must take protective measures against yourself as well to avoid internet stalkers and predators. So, while chatting, you have to uh, protect yourself from some kind of fake peoples and इंटरनेट स्टॉकर्स एंड प्रीडेटर्स. सो व्हाट आर स्टॉकर्स? जब आप चैटिंग करते हैं, जब आप टेक्स्ट करते हैं अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को, तब some stalkers are there. They keep tracking on what activity you are doing. So just avoid internet stalkers and predators and do the chatting, do internet chatting, but in protective manner. Thank you. Next we will do in the next class. Thank you.